what you focus on is focused on you, right? So what you focus on is focused on you. If at the end of your long day and you're in that alpha state sitting on the couch, right, drinking a cold one, and you're focused on some low vibrational negative energy type of vibes, right, and you invoke the feeling of that spirit, right, then all of a sudden, guess what? You're going to fall asleep with that energy on you. Now, guess what's going to happen in the horizon? You're going to wake up and you're going to feel heavy. You're going to wake up and you're going to feel low. You're going to wake up in a hating mood, right? In a fearful mood, in a worry mood, right? These are all low vibrational energies that reside in the heart chakra and below, right? I'm not saying our lower three chakras is not vital to our success, but what I'm saying is you have to be mindful of what you're putting into your being.